Guys, good evening all. Shared my screen. Hope you guys are able to see my screen. Yeah. Uh, right. So I got some repositories from Hemana and Ramya, right? And also Amosh. Okay. So let me have a quick recap on this. So this is your task two. I think, yeah, you created three files. So let's get into the index.html. Yeah, so this code, I think there is no changes. Oh, you added the, images, right? Okay, I believe you added the images here. So in the place of links, I believe. But one second. Yeah, I think you did the same. Okay, a href. Yeah, you added a home link, I think. So I believe you are using some online home link. Not, I think you have not downloaded. So let me quickly check it. Yeah, I think you're using some online images. Okay, this is a home button. This is fruits and then flowers button. Okay, nice. I think this is what the first expectation. Right. And also what I was expected to do is, yeah, there's a table tag, right? Yeah, this is what actually, I was expected. So I can quickly see this execution. Maybe I can take online HTML compiler quickly just to see the output. I mean, in a tabular format. So I'll quickly run this. Yeah, and run. Right. So this is actually, I was expected. So this is looking good. So the first one, Apple 3, and this is, I think, the image. So the left side is a code if you see it. Okay. So what you added? Yeah. So this is the three TDs, one Apple 3. Next TD, you added an image. Nice. And the next TD, you added a one, Wikipedia app link. Okay, nice. I think, yeah, you did the same thing for, other TD, other table to as well. Okay, this is, looking good. Oh, this is your online images, right? Yeah, that's also looking nice, man. Okay, fruits and flowers. Okay, okay, great. This is, I think, all are good. Since they are online images, yeah, I can able to access it from here. Okay, good. So, guys, any doubts on the table tag? Because
Sir,
yes.
sir, we don't have any run option in GitHub, sir.
No, through GitHub, see, GitHub for just for storage. So you cannot run the code there. Okay.
Sir, I had an issue, sir.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Sir, I
tell me,
cannot
Sima.
push my file into the same existing repository, sir. It's coming like error, sir.
Okay. Can you quickly share your screen?
Yeah, sir, I'll share.
Mm, not more than 2 minutes, please. Yeah, you can quickly share. Yes, you are able to see your screen. Can you go back to your folder where you are supposed to uploading it? See, we could see your thing. Let me stop share. Yeah. Yes, ma, you can. This is your HTML projects. Okay, open it. Wait. See, the one thing is missing that you have not initialized this as a repository. So there's a first command you have to type git init. I think you have not done that, right? So yeah, that's I think the first thing that I'm able to see, ma. So it's not initialized as your local repository. So the first command you have to type it git init. So have you pushed any
Sir, I
earlier?
pushed, sir. So many times it is getting error, sir. So I deleted it, sir.
Okay, then you have to start the process from beginning, no, again.
Yeah, sir. I started, sir. So many times I tried, sir. More than 7 times I did, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you go to the GitHub quickly?
Yeah.
Now I'm asking go to GitHub page. Where is your repository?
Here it is. Sir,
Go to code. The structure, I think you created a little bit wrong. Okay, fine. Okay, go to the desktop, copy that. Go to the desktop. Do one thing, ma. I can help you maybe after the class.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, I don't mind because it's
Okay, sir.
almost yeah.
No problem, sir.
Yeah, after the class, maybe the people can leave, then I can definitely assist you how to do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yeah, guys, I think you're good at table tag. So whatever I have explained. So do you have any doubts on it? So if no, then I'll move forward to some extension for some complex table tags. Do you have any queries? No?
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm assuming that no queries. So I'll be creating one more new table now quickly. So the table has student number. The student has the student number and the name. Okay, student name. Right. Again, if you see here in the name, how to divide it into something like this. Okay, first name and the last name. So I need this kind of table. So we can consider this is a complex kind of the design. Okay, so I'll be explaining multiple examples here. So this is actually the design I needed. So let's say the student number is 101. Maybe his first name is something Ram. Okay, and last name is something K. Okay, let's say 102. Okay, Ganesh is the name, and let's say the last name is something U. So guys, this is all your header portion. Okay, and this is your data portion. So maybe I'll let me format table first so that you can understand how we can design this, how we know. And the tricky part is how we need to create that headers and how they are aligned that what we were expecting it is. So that is the only thing the complex here, right? So one second. Yeah. So guys, this is actually the design. Okay. So let me take you some inputs from you before I want to proceed the code. Let me take you some your inputs. So again, as usual, your table tag is divided into, I mean, your table can be designed by using a tag called table, right? I think this is your clear. And this is everything, your T head, right? Nothing but table head portion, right? Here also there is no queries. And this is entirely, you can consider as, T body. So it's not mandatory that your table should have a foot. Okay, T foot. Yeah. So this is, T body. T-body. So I think it's up to here clear everyone. And also I need one more confirmation from you. How many rows you are able to see? How many rows you are able to see? Guys.
4 rows.
Okay. I think this is your first row, right? So there is no doubts here, right? From down I'm coming. Okay. This is the second row, right? And this will be next, definitely the next row, right? Your first name, last name will become one row. And uh, yeah, this will become one more row. I know now you have a doubt. Sir, how the serial number is occupying a big box and how the name is, divided into two portions. So that's, the tricky part in a table tag is. Rest of all, we already covered yesterday. Okay. This is the only tricky part. How serial number occupying this box and how this name occupying, two column box. That is only, the tricky part here. So first, what we do here is I'll be copying this demo 8. I already uploaded this source code. I'm not sure you get a chance to go through on it, but already have uploaded this all. So I'll be removing this entire code piece. Okay, so this is, I can say, example 2. Okay, and let's say this is something, students table, students table example 1. Okay, so guys, as we just now explained, your in your T head you have a two rows, right? In your T head, I'm talking about your T head. T head has a two rows, and then you have something with T body. There also you have a two rows like this, right? You have two rows. Up to here, clear everyone? Because later I'm sure you'll get confused, but up to here clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, nice. If your T body has one more row, let's say one more person detail, yeah, you can add number of rows. Okay, but the tricky part is, buddy, this one only. Okay, the very tricky part is this one only. Now, let's talk about 15 and 16, guys. Nothing but this table row, second table row. I'm talking about second table row. Okay, this one, guys. Yeah, maybe I can highlight. Yeah, I was talking about this one. 1 second. Yeah, I was talking about this one. So this is second table row in your T head, right? Okay. So the first TH is first name, right? Your first TH is first name, and your second TH is last name, right? I think this is also your clear, I believe. And next with sky blue color, guys, with sky blue color, I was mentioning, these are both belongs to first row. Sir, how that alignment goes, I'll discuss, no worry. Okay, but you have to understand that whatever the sky blue color boxes are given, that belongs to first table row. So add it first. Okay, add it first. So this is your first TH will be serial number. Second TH will be your name, guys. The tricky part is how this name is divided into these two pieces. That's the tricky part, right? Okay, so for that tricky part, I'll explain you in a different way. See, now guys, if you focus on let me zoom it more. Okay. Now guys, just imagine this is a big box, guys. Just imagine it's a big box. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. This is a box. Okay. This is your box. And just assume the height of the box is 100. Okay. Yeah. So guys, just an assumption, the height is 100 centimeter. Just an assumption. The height is 100 centimeter. Okay. Now, if you think, guys, the serial number occupying 100 centimeter height, okay, 100 centimeter height. Now, what about this name cell height, and what
50
about the first
centimeters
name and the
50,
last name
50.
cell heights? I'm talking about only heights.
off.
50 centimeters. Okay, I think this is your clear. Based
Yes.
on our assumption, guys, don't much think. If you much think, as you know, very logically, you cannot understand. Just think this use case so that you can understand. You see, if you think the serial number height is 100 centimeter, then this name height is 50. Definitely, the first name, last name height is also 50. So the conclusion is the con. Can you go mute Pavan JP9, please? FP9, Pavan. Thank you. Okay, so guys, now the conclusion is serial number is a cell. Serial number is a cell. It is occupying two row spaces. If you understand this one line, code is easy. Don't much think. I'll repeat again. Serial number cell, nothing but the entire box, occupying two row spaces. Two row spaces. Don't think more than the statement, guys. Okay. Are you clear? The statement first. Serial number box occupying two row spaces. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go to code. Go to code. I just now explained. Serial number is a cell which occupying two row spaces. Nothing but you should just say row span equal to 2. That's it. Don't much think. Okay. This is only one line of code you need to write it. And one more thing is go back. Okay, same assumption now. just think that this is your SL. Just think that, this is your complete cell, blue color one. I'm highlighting it clearly. It's in a blue color one box. Now, assume this
Column
width
space.
is,
Columns.
yes, this width is 100 centimeters. Just imagine this width is, I'm talking about width now. If you think as this width is called 100 centimeters, now what is the width for first name and what is the width for last name? Width, I'm talking about
50-50. 50-50.
50-50.
I think that's also you're clear. Now the conclusion is, guys, the conclusion is name is a cell, okay? Name is a cell which is occupying two column spaces, which is occupying two column spaces. Don't think on beyond it. It's difficult to understand. If you understand this line, then the code is very simple. Directly go to the name cell and just say, what should I write?
Column
Row
span.
span equal to 2.
Column span equal to 2. That's it, guys. Our tricky part is done. Our tricky part is done. Okay, don't much think that, sir, how this table row will come under your name. Don't think. That's what I was telling. Okay, if you write these changes, automatically this will be placed under this your name, guys. We can have a quick look also. So, guys, in here the first TD is your name. I mean your rule number or serial number. Next one is some name we given, right? And the next one is we given some first name or last name, right? First name and last name. Similarly, let me copy this quickly. And this is 2, right? This is 2 second table I'm talking about. So let's say Ganesh, and let's say this is you. And then copy same here. Let's say 103. Let's say Arun. Let's say M. Okay. So let's quickly run this. Guys, I already added a border, center, yellow, 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Okay. They're all optional, you know it. But you can see, a good format of the output. Okay. I think I have ran it. The browser is about to open. Yeah. See, guys, as per my as it is explanation, you can see it as I explain you, right? Serial number is a box. How we are giving height to this box? That's the question, right? How we are giving this much of height to this box? That's what, guys, we written something, row span is equal to 2, right? Okay, so that's the reason it's giving this much of, height, guys. And one more tricky part here is, yeah, so how this box is, coming this much of it. Yeah, that's what we given something, column span equal to 2. Okay, column span equal to, and this is both are your first table row, and this is your second table row, and these are, as usual, right? So I believe the output and the code is clear, everyone, and the concept is actually row span and column spans. Today, first topic is row span, column span. So using this row span, column span, we can divide a cell into parts. We can divide a cell into parts. Okay. So just to an add-on, okay, just to an add-on, I'll add, few more things here. I'll add, few more things here. Let's drag it to a little bit here, and let's introduce. Let introduce. Yes, I'll be introducing, one more column saying something, marks. Okay. Now, guys, C is the first subject. C++ is the second subject. Third subject is Java. Okay. So marks I want to give for 3 subjects. Okay. Three subjects. Let's drop it to little bit down. Yeah. As per this. Okay. And then, yeah, here, guys, I'll be giving the marks. So here 10 marks, here 9 marks, and here, 8 marks, guys. So this is something, a data for the first row. Okay. Let's form like, a table so that, you can understand. So what I was expecting exactly. So this is something, guys, I need it. So yeah, you how to tell me now, where should I add this marks? Tell me, guys. Where should I add this marks? Question,
After
guys.
name
First
PH.
question. So
After
after
name,
your
yes, sir.
beside your name, okay, beside your name, write a one more th and say marks.
The column span.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. If you see this box occupying three column
Three
spaces, right?
column.
Right. So right. So what should I say?
Call
Column
span is
span
equal to
equal to
3.
3.
Column span
Correct.
equals to
You
3.
should just
Call
say
span
column
equals
span
to
equal
3.
to three. That's it. That's it. And this 1098, this 1098, sorry, my bad. I missed to explain one more thing. Where should I write this CCPP Java? Answer is very clear. See, where should I write CCPP Java?
After
Second
last
row.
name.
After last name.
After last name.
Correct. You have to think that this everything will be, second row.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So
Second row
beside your
values.
last name, yes. You have to say C, C++,
Yeah.
and Java, right? And then, yeah, your data also goes, in the same way. Let's say 10 marks, right? 10, 9, 8. Okay, 9 and 8. And just, guys, I'm done. Let's run it. Guys, you can see it. Anyhow, I was not added the data for the Ganesh and Arun, but you can see. Uh, let me quickly explain you one more tricky part here is now I want to display photo. I want to display photo, guys. I want to display photo as the next column. This is also, I think, straightforward to you. Okay. If you understand the existing my explanation. So this is something, guys, the photo I need it. Okay. Here I have to print the RAM photo, a RAM photo. And next, yeah, definitely Ganesh photo I want to print it. So first I want to print, the RAM photo here. First, you have to tell where should I add this photo.
After
After
marks.
the
After
mark.
marks.
Correct. So go to your after marks, right? Just say photo.
Row
Then
span is
Row
equal to
span equals to 2.
Row span
right.
equal to 2.
You understood, right? The cell is occupying two row spaces, right? So yeah, that's the tricky part here. So don't much think is how it is coming. Row span equal to 2. And then where should I add the photo here? The photo of
After
that
8.
guy. Hmm?
After 8, sir.
After
Right.
8.
Third row.
Yeah, you're after, your TD8, add a one more TD, and there you have to write image.
Hashtag.
Right. So add some photo with some height, let's say 30 pixel, width also, let's say 50 pixel. Okay, yeah, just run it and you can see it. I believe this is also clear, everyone, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just stay on the call. I want to show you some tasks to you to practice on this design. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll be taking my old notes. Just for looking at a meaningful task for you. Yeah, I think I got something, right? Okay. This is, I can give it to you. Today's class 7, right? So guys, if I think you can consider this is task 3. If I say task 3, create a
Sir,
one more
screen
folder.
is not
Remember about
visible
this,
to
right?
us.
You didn't
No,
screen
no,
share.
no, no, no. Yeah. I'm about to share now. I intentionally did the stop share. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to share it. Sorry. Okay. So guys, this is task 3. I mean, along with the today class note, I'll be, sending. Okay. This is your task 3. So if you see the task 3, you have to just create, 3 HTML files. Or in a single HTML file also can do. Guys, this is the first task. I mean, the first table. I think it's a straightforward. Okay. It's a straightforward. And I think this is also a straightforward. Yeah, here you need to add, T footer also for total amount. But the tricky part here is how this total amount, you know, uh, occupying 3 column space.
Column span equal to 3.
Yes. That's what you need to do. And the last one, buddy, yeah, here temperature is there, na? Min max. That you need to do it. That's a very smaller thing. I think you can consider, a task 3.html, you can create no issue. And you can push to your repository. Okay. Same repository, you can push it. This is, a table task, guys. Okay. So I believe you're clear on the task. What do you need to do?
Sir, we need to push our code into GitHub.
Yes. Create beside task 1 and task 2 folder, create one file. Okay. Task3.html and write 3 table tags. This way. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I forgot to give you one more extra tag actually. I forgot. Now I recall. If you see student records, product list, weather station, right? This is actually, a part of your table tag. I missed it, sorry. So that is, we have to say a tag called caption. There's a tag called caption. Okay. That's a table. There's a tag called something, caption. And yeah, you can give the, a caption this way, guys. That is you have to write before your head starts, guys. Before your head starts, in table, before your T head starts, you can write caption, guys. I missed this. I recall it. Guys, you can see student data. See, this is, a one more tag that I missed it. And you can move this is to down also. You can move that caption to completely down also by
After
writing,
footer.
yeah, no. By writing the align bottom, so you can see. And if you want to make this is in very big, then write inside the H2 so that you can see a better thing this way. This is I missed it. Yeah. So try to add it. Okay, this is your task 3. Hope you're clear on what you need to do part of task 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I think guys,
Sir,
I'm
can you
done.
say task 2 again?
Task 2 yesterday I explained, no? I don't want to repeat, buddy. If you missed yesterday's session, sorry. Recall it. I mean, or else, you can go through the recorded session. Okay. This is your task 3. Right. So, guys, I'll be planning to explain a new topic today. That is something, this one, guys. The interesting part, my favorite, and HTML. This is the topic, guys, actually. Okay. So, I hope everyone able to see here something. What is it? Can anyone guess? I just
Forms.
written something in pink
Form.
color.
Form.
Right. So, this is something, form. Okay, so guys, today we will be discussing how to create these forms. How to create this form. And inside it, you can see something here and something here. And this is also something here. And this is also something here. And this is your username. And what is this, password, right? So everything else I'll be discussing now. The first thing you should know how to identify a form. I think you're clear, right? This is identification of the form. And whatever the arrow colors guys have mentioned, whatever the arrow color I have mentioned, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they're all we have to say form controls, guys. Okay, so guys, today you are learning form, and its control, guys. Form and its control. The first control is text input field, guys. Okay, text input field, we can say text input field. And the second one, if you see, password input field, guys, this is, I think the words are not tough to you, right? So it's a password input field. Similarly, guys, the next one is, this is checkbox input field. Checkbox input field, right? You have to click on that. Next, this one is, guys, button input field. Button input field. Did you notice anything common in my explanation of controls?
Input field.
Input field.
Input field.
Why we are calling as input field? Because
We have to
a
give
customer, yeah, exactly. A customer has to provide some value on it.
Client.
Right? That's the reason they're all, yeah, the client or customer has to fill something and tap something. Fill something and tap something. Tap in the sense, yeah, login is a button, no? You have to tap on it. Right? And the last one, guys, whichever what you're seeing, like username and passwords in bold color, these are called as something, guys, labels. Okay. We have to call it as something, labels. Both username and password are called something known as labels. So I hope everyone clear what is form, right? So the box that I have created, that is, a form, and rest of all, the controls inside the form. Controls in the form. So let me consolidate you to this everything with one more example actually. So let me take a one black color box, and then let me create some pink color boxes here. Pink color boxes, and again on top of it with orange color, I'll be mentioning something. I'll come to know what is it and all. Okay, right. Let's just imagine the black color one is there, na? That you can consider, a dining table. Okay, a dining table, right? So I think you're clear on the first assumption, dining table. The dining table is equivalently, guys, you can consider as, HTML body. Okay, and we know every home has one dining table, right? Similarly, every HTML has one body tag, the black color one. I'm talking about the black color one. Now, guys, if you think it's a dining table can have one plate or many plates.
Many
Many
plates.
plates.
Correct. So, guys, a plate you have to consider as, a form in HTML, guys. Okay, a plate is nothing but you have to consider as, a form. Now, as per this explanation, I think you understood something. In a body tag, you can write multiple forms. In a body tag, you can write multiple forms. Forms are nothing but like plates you can imagine. Again, on top of plate, right? What you will do, guys? We'll keep some items, no?
Item.
We'll keep some items. Yeah, this is something, item one. Okay, item one, and there's item two, right? Item three, like this, guys. You can do it. Similarly, yeah, here also, guys. Here also. Okay. So, sir, why you explain this? I'll tell you. Because whenever you write the code, you'll get confused, guys, the order of write your code. You'll definitely get confused. So the order is first open body tag. You know it and you're doing since 4 days, 5 days, right? First open a body tag. And then inside body, first decide how many forms you require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many forms you required? So if you need one form, just open and close it. Just open and close it, like how you are opening, closing the table tag, right? So that way, guys, you have to open and close it. Now, inside the form, guys, inside the form, you have to design these items. You have to design these items. What item? Text input field, password field, checkbox field, button, or labels. What? These are all, guys, part of your inside the form only how to write it. Guys, again, I'll repeat. I'm sure you'll confused to write the code. Okay. The order is first open and close the body, and then open and close your form. Inside the form, you are supposed to write the rest of all the content. Guys. Is that make sense? The order?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let me check. You are in track or not first. You are in track. Let's make it demo 10. Make it demo 10. And I'll be erasing everything. Okay, I'll be erasing everything. This is form controls example. Okay, right. I just now explained, guys. Inside body, what is the tag you have to open and close?
Form.
Right. Right. So I think everyone clear on a form is nothing but you can consider it's a plate. This is a dining table and it's a plate. Sir, can I create multiple forms? Yes. You can create it, guys. Like how many forms you require, that many you can create. Okay. So this is, I think you're clear. Then the next question is, sir, how to create, what is it? I just now explained.
Label.
Label.
Right. And what is it next?
Input field.
Input
Input
field.
field.
Text input.
Text input field.
Next.
Input field.
Label.
Label.
Label. Next.
Password.
Password
field.
input.
Password input field, checkbox input field,
Checkbox
Box
field.
input
Next.
button
Button.
input
Login
field,
buttons.
Button. Okay. Stay on this, guys. What is username?
Label.
Label.
What is a text?
text
Username.
Username, no? Yeah. Guys, if you want to make username as a label, okay, then you'll be writing a tag called something, label. You'll be writing a tag called something, label. Okay, so it's very straightforward. So there's a tag called label. There's a tag called label. So what you want to make by label, yeah, you can use, a label tag. Yes. And you have one more label also, right? You have one more label also there. That is something, password. So there are two labels are there. Guys, as per the code I was explaining, as per this output, first you created a form. Okay. And then, sir, you created a username label and password label. And just now explain what is it?
Text input field.
Correct. So that is, your input field, right? Maybe I'll write some fields, guys. Maybe, I'll write some fields. 1 second. Maybe I'll first design it. Maybe I'll write it, guys, but so the first question is, if you see, enter your name. So what they're asking, enter name. Next, I think they're asking enter city. Okay. And enter age. Okay. And enter email. And then enter. Okay. LinkedIn URL. Okay. LinkedIn URL. Next to this. And next, I have to cover it all. Okay. So that's the reason, I was thinking it. So enter your password. Enter your password. Then enter confirm password. Okay. And enter date of birth. Okay. Okay. Yeah, enter date of birth and then enter, not enter, select gender. Okay. And select language and then select degree, and then maybe I'll keep it this last. Upload resume. Guys, I believe you are imagining what will be at right side. Just you are imagining, but by EOD I have more 20 minutes. I think you started imagining what will be there at right side, but by end of the session you'll come to know how to design this all, guys. Okay. Next, enter address. Enter your address. Maybe I'll write it here for better visibility. I think almost I'm done. Yeah, let's focus on this.
Mobile numbers.
Mobile number, no. I've taken it similarly, age. Okay, because I have to cover all the use cases. I think I covered, all. Now I think you're expecting something, a submit. And finally, are expecting something, guys, some reset. Okay. So I'll keep this as a form now. Okay, I'll keep this as a form. But I'll use the same coloring, guys, that whatever, we practiced it. Here is. What is it? The black color one?
Body.
Right.
Body.
You're absolutely body. Correct. Right. And next, let me use this pink color. What is it?
Plate.
Plate 1.
Hey,
Form.
your form.
Form.
Right, right. You're absolutely, form, guys. Let's start writing some, orange color. Guys, enter name is nothing but you need a one field.
Label.
Yeah. You need one field. Enter name, enter city, enter age, enter email. All are what? All.
Labels.
Labels.
Absolutely. All are labels, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 labels are there, okay? 13 labels are there, okay? Now, guys, the first one, if you see, here you have to type your name, right? And then you have to type your city. And then, guys, you have to give only numbers. Only numbers. First two, guys, you have to give alphabets. First two, you have to give alphabet. The next one, you have to give only numbers, right? And, guys, the third one, you have to give alphabets, numbers, and special characters also per email. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. And the next one is, guys, you have to give a proper URL, nothing but HTTPS / LinkedIn, right? That way, guys, you have to give it. Nothing but, it's a URL. It could be a GitHub URL, or it could be, a LinkedIn URL, or your Insta, whatever it is, okay? But it's, in a URL. Next, guys, if you type something here, no one can see, right? If you type something, no one can see, it will show like, like a bubbles, right? So this is something, passwords. Now it allow alphabets, numbers, digits. Alphabets, numbers, special characters also, right? Both password and confirm. And next one, if you see, guys, in date of birth, yeah, there could be, you can see date, month, year, right? Three things, guys, you can select it, right? So one calendar has to be open, and you can select, a lot of things, right? Now the next one, guys, if you see address, yeah, if you see, guys, address, it should not be a single row, right? It could be something, multiple rows, guys. Right, right. It could be, a multiple row. 1 second. Let me hit enter here. Yes, and let me make a box. So, guys, the address is nothing but you should enter multiple rows of data. Not one row. You have a flexibility to, enter multiple rows of data. Correct. Now, guys, whenever you see upload resume, yeah, you can see a button with a text called something, browse. Right. You can see a text something, browse. That means whenever you click on this, whatever the file you browse it, that file name, guys, will display here, right? Some file name dot some PDF. Like that, it will be displayed, correct? And the next one is, guys, see, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the first 9, user has to provide some value from keyboard, right? User has to provide some value. But last 3, guys, last 3, gender is a one
Checkbox.
radio button?
My
No, no,
using
no,
buttons.
no. It's a radio
Arial,
button.
Arial.
Guys, one very important note. One very important one. For the above all, if you see, I'm using a common word enter. That means you have to enter something. But here, if you see select gender, select language, select degree, select gender, select language, select degree. For all the 3, you should supply some values, guys. You should supply some value, like, male and female, you have to supply it. Sir, how we supply it? Through code. Through code, we have to supply, and then only the values a user can select it, right? And the next one is, guys, your language is there now, and definitely it will become, a checkboxes, guys, right? It will be, a checkboxes. So you may select a Telugu, right? You may select Hindi, and you may select, English, right? So this is something, checkbox. You can select multiple also. And I think the last one I was discussing is the last one, select degree. Nothing but definitely, guys, here you can expect, here, you can expect one drop down. You can expect some drop down like this. You can, expect some drop down. And there you can see something, UG, PG, and PhD, right? UG, PG, something, PhD. Like that, guys, you can see some drop down here. And the last guys, something, submit and reset, both are something, guys, buttons. Both are something, button. Submit is a button, and reset also a button. So, guys, you can just start count it here now, or let me write down the names for each field now. let me write down, name for each field now. Guys, the first two are there, no? Name and city. You have to type only alphabets, right? You have to type only alphabets, right? So both we have to call as text fields, guys. Both. The both, guys. The both. The name and city, both are considered, text field. Now age is there, no? Age. So you have to type only numbers, right? So that is something, guys, we have to call as number field. Number field. If you understand the theory, code is very simple. Code is very simple. This is a number field because you should enter only numbers. And guys, this is we have to call it as email field. And this email field can allow alphabets, numbers, and special characters also. You know it, right? And guys, this is we have to call it as something, URL field. URL field. Nothing but you have to enter a proper URL like HTTPS / like that. Now these two are, guys, these two are we have to call it as these two are we have to call it as password fields, guys. Both password and confirm password are password field. And this one is there, right? One calendar you are expecting to print, right? One calendar. There you can select date, month, year. This is called as date field. And guys, if you see the address and text field, okay, your text will allow only one row, whereas address allow, guys, multiple rows. This is we have to call it as something, text area separately. We have a separate name called as text area, guys. And the next one, if you see this file name is there, on the browse button. This is actually we have to call it as upload button, or I should say file chooser. Okay, I should say something, file chooser. We have to call it as file chooser, guys. File chooser. And next, I think you can guess it. It's a radio button. And next one also, I think you can guess. This is checkbox. And the last one is it's a drop
Select.
down, guys. No. It's a drop down box. Degree. Your UG, PG, PhD, right? So this is drop down. And finally, guys, this is your submit button. Okay. And guys, this is something, your reset button. Okay. So these are all, guys, the part of your form items. Form items. I need this image for my upcoming session. 1 second. I need this. Let's take this. Oh, I have not opened the page today. Okay. Oh, I already started. Yeah, I need this. Okay, let's keep it here. Let's go back. I think, I have already erased, I think. Okay, I think I can explain in a better way here. Okay, so guys, if you see now, let me give the count. So this is 1, right? Let's give the numbers. I'll start giving, it's sky blue color, guys. This is 1, your text field. 2, number field. 3, email field. 4, URL field. And then 5th, password field. 6, date field. Okay. And 7th, guys, your file chooser. Okay. 7th, your file chooser. And 8 is your, your radio button. 9 is your checkbox. And 10, your submit. And 11, your reset button. I know, sir, you missed a few. Right. I was intentionally missed it. That I'll keep in green color. Okay. So this is a 12th one, guys, text area. Yeah, I was giving special color. I'll tell you the reason. So 12th one is text area, and one more also missed it, right? 13, the drop down box. Guys, there's a reason why I made, all, sky blue and green. All sky blue color items that you can design by using only one tag. The tag name is input, guys. This is a very powerful tag. Okay, this is a very powerful tag. The only one tag is we'll be using only one tag, whichever I have declared in Yeah, whichever, I have declared in sky blue color, like 11 items, that you can design by using only one tag. The tag name is something, input. The tag name is input, guys. The 12, I think, I don't know why I'm written 7 there. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Sir,
The
this
12
is
and 13.
unpaired.
Wait, yeah. Let me come to the
File
point.
chooser, sir.
No. The 12 and 13 will be separate tags, guys. But remaining all 11 items, you can design by using only one tag. The tag name is input. Okay. So, and it's unpaired. Yeah.
But we use button tag method for submitting.
No.
And we should-
No. That's what you have to wait, guys. I think you already learned something. I know it's getting kind of, conflict to you, but no issue. You have to wait some time. All these 11 items you can design by using input tag. So the syntax is, syntax is input space type equal, you have to provide, guys, your type. Whichever I have written in double quotes, I'll changing some color to something, red, Guys, you have to write the tag as it is. Input type is attribute. Input type is attribute equal to, in double quotes, guys, you have to tell, hey, you need text field, number field, email, URL, password, date, right? What you need it. That exactly, guys, you have to type it here. So this is one common syntax. This is one common syntax for all the 11 items, guys. Now I'll be spending some time how to develop these 11 items. Okay, guys, you're clear on the label portions. I think you're clear on the label portion. Maybe labels we'll discuss later. Okay, so guys, first we'll start this. What is enter your name? Enter name.
Label.
Enter name.
Labels.
Labels.
Write a label. Sorry. Write a label. Yeah. What is your text?
Enter name.
Your name.
Enter name. Guys, today, if you understood, I think today you are learning at only the 50%. Remaining 50%, I mean, not the new, just remaining 50 you are learning in depth. That's it. But today, whatever the topic I have started, form and controls, there's a complete overview. The complete overview. Tomorrow we are not learning nothing new, just we are learning depth of this, all the items. Okay. But today I'll show you guys the designing part, how it will goes. Okay. Now return enter your name. And how do we display this? Which tag I need to use?
Input tag.
Text in input.
Okay. Just say the tag name is input. Okay. Just say the tag name is input. And what should I write? Type equal to. Just said text, guys. No. I said it's a text field, but you have to type just a text. That's it. Clear?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'll be using break. Why am I using break?
To maintain the
No. The next item I have to move to the
Okay,
next item.
Next line.
I copied it. Next. What should I write? Help me, guys.
Intercity.
Correct.
Label
Enter
enter
city.
city.
Label.
And should I change it?
No,
Text,
sir.
or should I keep
No,
it as
sir.
this? No,
Keep
right.
it same. Sir.
Okay. Right. Next.
Label.
enter age.
Label enter age.
Enter age. What should I change?
number.
Number.
Yeah, guys, you
Type
may
equal
guess
to
today.
number.
Yeah, you may guess today. Okay. It's a number. Okay. Next.
Email.
Enter.
Enter email.
Yeah, enter your email.
Email
Yes.
field.
Yeah, it's a email field.
Email.
Yes. Yeah, it's very simple. No, it's not, tough to by heart. Yeah. Next, guys.
LinkedIn.
Yeah,
Enter LinkedIn
Yeah.
URL.
correct. Just say LinkedIn URL. Okay. And here, just say input
URL.
type equal to URL. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Okay. I think this one.
Enter
Enter
password.
password.
Correct. So, yeah, enter password. You may
Type
guess.
Password.
Password.
Correct. So let's do it one more time. I think no change.
Confirm password. Same as
Confirm.
type.
Right. And
Same
then type
password.
also password. Right. Next, guys.
Data.
Enter DOB.
Right.
Date of
Enter
birth.
DOB.
Yeah. Enter date of birth and the type is guess.
Date.
Date guess. Yes, you're absolutely correct. And guys, I missed one thing. Sorry, I missed one thing. If you want to enter your phone number, I explained number field, right? I explained number field, right, on the top. But similarly, you have something, TEL.
Type equal to number.
Nothing but, no.
Ten.
TEL, nothing but telephone number.
Telephone number. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, we have a separate field. I missed it. And next, yes, after date of birth. I think
Address.
address, you can ignore.
Address.
You can ignore, guys. I'll explain this later.
It is
Yeah.
12.
Next,
Resume.
Resume.
Upload
Yeah.
resume.
upload your resume, right? Yeah. Let me write. Upload a resume. And guys, you should write just write input type equal to
File.
only file. Yes. How to just write, a file only. And next, guys, the interesting part here, this one, buddy. Gender.
Select gender.
Select the gender. Correct. This is the interesting part. Select gender. Yeah. What should I write it? Input type equal to radio. Okay. That is interesting. See, I given one hint to you guys already. This is very important. I know later also you'll get some doubts. For all the fields, I'll be clearly mentioning enter. Nothing but user has to provide a value for this all. But for this last three is there now. For the last three is there now. Gender, language, degree. Developer, nothing but who designing this page. That guy should give the value. Like this. Okay, so that the customer can select it. And guys, if you write input type equal to radio and value is equal to male, one radio button is created. And for radio button, M capital male will be, assigned. M capital male will be assigned. But if customer want to see, wait. If customer want to see what value they given, what developer has given, then another time also, guys, you have to write the mail. I know you got confused here. I'll repeat again. If you write input type equal radio, this radio will be created. Okay. And next, as I just now explained, above all fields, customer, nothing but user has to give the value. But for the last three fields, guys, like radio button, checkboxes, or drop down, developer, nothing but who designing this page. The developer has to give the value.
The front end
Okay, and
developer.
that is yes, exactly. I'm absolutely correct. Front end developer. The developer has to provide the value, but that not visible to the customer. That this value is not visible to the customer. If customer want to see same value, you have to give outside it also. This value will not visible outside your input tag. Whatever value you will given, that is visible to the customer. No worries. In the example, you can see this. So I'll be creating one more, radio button with, a female with, female. Okay. So this is something, guys. This is, I think, the first time that you are hearing it. Little bit tricky. Front-end developer has to give the value, but that value is not visible. If the value want to see customer, after the tag, you have to give it. Sir, is it left side or right side? Your wish, man. Your wish. Where you want to keep? That customer will decide it. The developer will decide. You want to print it left side or right side? Okay, that's, a front-end developer will decide it. Okay, so I think this is your clear. Similarly, guys, I guess I'll take more 5 minutes. Otherwise, I know you're feeling hungry, but more than 5 minutes. I don't want to take more than 5 minutes because if I explain this again tomorrow, it will become a new topic to you. Let me go with the last button. Your languages, guys. Nothing but again, 3 checkboxes are there now. So I'll be copying this all. Okay. Now I'll be how to write select languages. Now, guys, you have to say input type equal to checkbox. Same concept. The same concept. Okay. Same concept. You have a front-end developer give the value, but if the value want visible by the customers, then you have to write separately again. Right here also, guys, the same thing. Here also there's something, same thing. This is again a one more checkbox. For radio button, checkbox is for drop down, it's a mandatory rule. It's a mandatory rule. And the last one is, let's say English. Guys, if I run the code at the end, I'm sure you can understand what I was explaining. Okay, I'll run the code at the last. Okay, I think you're clear on this. Anything else? I think drop down I'll discuss tomorrow. Text area and drop down. And the last two button I'll explain guys now. Submit and reset button. Okay, last two buttons. So if it is a same tag as you have to write it, and just say type is equal to submit.
Type is button.
Just write submit. One more is there now. Just write input type equal to set. That's it, guys. And yeah, I think someone said, sir, can't we do with this button tag? Yes.
Sir,
With the button tag
tag.
also we can do it. But yeah, no, that's another context. But using input tag only, we have to design this all. Guys, I'm done. Let me show you the execution now. Yeah, so let me zoom it. Guys, you can say everything. See, enter your name, right? Enter your city, enter your age. See, it all only numbers, guys. It all only numbers. You cannot type alphabets, guys. And here, guys, you have to type a proper email like this. And here you have to give the proper, your proper in the sense it does not do any validation, guys, but these are the proper values. And if you type any password, that will become a bubble. And this is, calendar. Okay. And guys, this is something, your phone number that you have to enter. Okay. The phone number, because it allows +91 also, right? So it allows special character also. And guys, this is your file chooser. When you click on this, okay, you are allowed to upload a one file. Okay. And guys, I explained, right? See, radio button. It is a tricky part, right, for you. So there are two radio buttons are there. Your choice, guys. You want to make this mail at right side or left side? That's your wish. I know you are wondering, sir, why the two radio buttons are selected. It's a bug. So the fix will be tomorrow. Okay, it's a bug. Okay, and there's a small concept you need to learn it. This one. And guys, you can see again, checkboxes. You can select multiple. And this is your submit and your reset button. Okay, this is just a 50% of your form and controls. Tomorrow, guys, I'll take one form and end to end we will design with some actions. Okay, so that's all for today. So
Good.
today the very important concept, guys, I started form and controls. So please go through the session and complete the task 3 that on tables. So any queries?
No, sir. Sir, yesterday you used images in table, no, sir.
One second. Yes.
So the extension of the images was WebP like that something, sir.
The images extension can be .jpg, JPG, GIF, WebP, whatever it is, na. That's not a matter.
No,
right?
sir. I was thinking, is there a specific reason for that, like that?
No. I randomly Google it right in front of you and I copied it. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Steema, you can stay. I think guys, others you can leave.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is the how to write comments in HTML, sir?
Commands.
Yes.
Comments. Comments.
Comments.
Acha. So if you want to write a comment, let's see this line. I want to comment line number 10. Okay, then what you need to do is first write less than and use a exclamatory double minus. Okay, this is something opening your comment. Again, this is a closing your comment. This is a minus. And in between, whatever you write, that will be treated as a comment. You may write single line comment, you may write multi-line comment. But these are only the commenting style we use it in HTML. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, this is the bad practice, I should say. Okay, but if you really want to comment these 2 lines at a time, select it with your mouse, hold your control key, okay, and click on the slash, guys, the slash. So it automatically commented. Just if you type slash, there's a question symbol on the slash in your keyboard, right? Question symbol. That slash you have to type it. So automatically the code gets commented. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. I think yes, others you can leave. I think I did stop share and I'm stopping the recorded as well. 1 second. Streamer, 1 second.
Sir, can you share this reference